everyone, it's me, Rachel. I am in the she shed. I was out checking on the chickens and all of a sudden we started getting torrential amounts of rain. And I'm gonna stand back a little way so you can still hear me because there is a galvanized metal porch in here. Even the cat has come in here to take cover. So not only is it raining, but there is hail coming down. We have thunder, we have lightning, and I want to show you our road that we live on. I don't think I can, oh, here. I don't know if you can see this, but the water's all dirty because it's getting muddy from the road up above us. This is all downhill. I don't know if you can see this, how fast the water's moving. Looks like a river. So this is supposed to last about 2 hours, I believe. We have a tarp over Tina, so she's doing okay, staying dry. And all the girls have gone into cover. But yeah, let's go back in here where it's a little quieter. I don't even know if you could hear me when I was out there. So as I said, we have a summer storm going on, and we kind of get these every couple of days because we live in the Upper Peninsula, and I don't know if you can see how fast the water on the road is moving. This is supposed to last for a couple hours. Sorry about that. This is one of the reasons why it's so green here. It is a bit windy. I can see the trees across the street. They're blowing a little bit. And I want to say that our trees, they were blowing a little bit too. Zoom out a little bit. Looks pretty still over here, so that's good. Worst case scenario, we can flip our little rowboat over and climb aboard, right?